Man, I cannot believe that I got grounded and I can't have any candy bars or treats for a week. Wait, I have an idea. I am going to sell popcorn at the movies. Okay, I am now at the movies. Now I will wait for a customer. Hello Albert and Faith.
Hey Dad.
So, what movie are you both seeing today?
We are going to go see Planes, Fire and Rescue, the second one.
Oh sweet, but anyways, what would you guys like to have?
We would like some popcorn.
Me too.
Okay, here you go. That will be $1 please. Thanks, enjoy your movie. Hi Jasper.
Hi Ted.
So, what movie are you going to see?
I am going to go see Into the Storm.
That's cool, but anyways, what would you like to order?
I would like some popcorn please.
Okay, that will be $2 please. Thank you, here is your popcorn. Enjoy the movie.
Don't tell me that you went to the movies and got a job or selling popcorn, because I know you are selling popcorn. I see you selling popcorn.
Yes, I was selling popcorn.
Oh my god, I can't believe you were selling popcorn. That's it. I am now going to call your parents right now.
No. Please don't call my parents. I am so sorry.
Too bad. I will now call your parents and they will ground you. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Pollard. Your son Ted was selling popcorn. Please ground him. Thanks and goodbye.
Ted, how do you sell popcorn at the movies? That does it. You are so grounded for 1271890123135618719124187112223170000 centuries.
Now go upstairs to your room right now.
Well,